Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: a Geo 4G SIM and a phone that supports Volte. Once done, insert the SIM into the primary slot and reboot the device to apply network changes. Make sure mobile data is on and check for any carrier updates in settings. These often enable Volte provisioning. If prompted, accept any carrier or SMS activation messages. This sets the foundation so the handset and network can negotiate Volte capabilities without delay. You will now enable Volte in the phone settings. On Android, open Settings, then Mobile Network, and toggle Volte or Enhanced 4G calling on. On iPhone, go to Cellular, right arrow Cellular Data Options, right arrow Voice and Data, and pick LTE. Next, set preferred network to LTE/4G so voice uses the LTE radio. Once toggled, wait a minute for the carrier to register the change. You should see a Volte or HD call icon. If not, toggle airplane mode briefly and check again. You finish by confirming Volte is active. Place a test call and look for the Volte or HD call label during the call. If it doesn't appear, restart the phone, reinsert the SIM, or toggle Volte off and on again. These steps force a new registration with Geo. If problems persist, request a carrier profile update from Geo or contact customer support. Sometimes provisioning on their side must be enabled. One quick tip: try the SIM in another compatible phone to isolate handset versus network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.